Good afternoon, welcome to another Life on Wheels video. This is Riese Mullers' amazing Tinker2. This is the latest version, Tinker2 Vario, which features MVolo's amazing hub gear, which gives infinite gears really, meaning you'll always find the right gear to be in. That power is transmitted by a Gates drive belt, so you've got a very clean, low maintenance solution. This has the upgraded seat post, which is the Schultz, which means that the seat stays parallel even when it's going up and down and giving you some comfort to your ride. The new stem, multi-positional stem, which can move forward and be locked in position, allows room for the taller riders. So this bike will fit riders from about 5 foot to 6'6" or so. As you can see, it features the new Bosch 545 watt-hour battery and is powered by the Bosch Performance Line motor, giving 75 Newton meters. The bike is fitted with LED lights as standard front and rear, mud guards are standard, and also a very nice suspension fork comes as standard. It gives you some comfort in your ride. Tinker2 really is a very versatile bike. On road, on tracks, etc. It rides very nicely. Now in stock at Life on Wheels. Feel free to pop in for a test ride or give us a ring on 01352 715 716. We can arrange a demo ride for you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.